I'm about to show you how you can actually change your life. I know that sounds dramatic, but I can tell you from my own experience as being a professional interior designer for over 30 years, I've seen it in my clients' homes. I've seen it in my own home, my kids' homes, and I've heard from thousands of people who are members of the design sessions that it has indeed not only changed their home, but it has changed their life. To put it in a nutshell, the design sessions are over 100 hours of exclusive content that's not on YouTube. It's where Shara, my daughter, and I take you through all of the design principles that you will need to know in order to make a difference in your home and to make your home beautiful. You can download the app to do it, or you can do it straight on your computer. You can actually watch them on your smart television. With 30 years of experience as a professional interior designer, I can tell you that interior design and making your home beautiful is not as easy as it sounds. It's rather complicated. There are so many decisions, and you may have vaulted ceilings or you may have low ceilings. You may be in an apartment. Well, the design sessions will take you step by step through every single thing you need to know in order for you to become your own interior designer. Here's some of the content that you will have access to as a member. So when it comes to accessorizing, there's a couple things I want you to know. I really believe strongly that most of the time, working in odd numbers, like 3, 5, 7, 9. Another thing I really like to do is I like to work in pairs. So you have two things that are exactly the same, for example, 2 lamps, 2 vases.
The first page that we're going to create is called the vision. So it's kind of like you're setting the tone for the vision, overall vision of the space. You're going to have a whole page all about your color palette and really locking that in. You're going to have a whole page on specific selections, furniture selections that you have found that you know that will fit the space that are going to be beautiful. And then there's an entire page all about the mood. What's the feeling you want the room to evoke? Have fun, build your confidence, get excited, and transform your home.
Once you become a member, you've got access to 100 hours of that kind of content. The first week of every month, either Shara or myself hosts a live Q&A only accessible to Design Sessions members. It's not on YouTube, it's not on Instagram or Facebook. It is on our own site right here, the site that you're on right now. All we ask is that you as a member send us photos of your room. Send us measurements, give us as much detail as you can, and tell us what your dilemma is. And then Shara and I go in and we actually take those photos and we write on top of them, and we give our viewers, our members, ideas of ways to solve their particular problems. And sometimes you might even get a phone call from one of us. Okay, so just this year, we've decided to take our videos. Some of these videos, a lot of you who've been following us for years, you have some of your favorites. But when you watch them on YouTube, you have to watch the commercials, the ads that go with them. How would you like it if you could watch on the other side? We've got the exclusive side, but we also have the YouTube side. And what you get there is we are uploading our YouTube videos to our own platform here, and you can watch them on the app as well. You don't have to watch any commercials. Oh, one other thing, get this. We're uploading each new video that we put out and we've already started doing this, 24 hours before it goes live on YouTube, as another bonus and benefit to how much we appreciate you guys. So Design Sessions members will see our YouTube videos 24 hours before anyone else does. I think you're gonna love it. Once you become a member, we actually walk you through and make suggestions of where you should start. I always say start with the basics, start with the tools. Get your tool bucket or your tool belt fully equipped with everything you need to start building, and your house will turn out great. Tools include things like lighting and area rugs and how to do throw pillows, how to pick the right color of paint. Each one of these topics has anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour on it, and on some of the topics we have a couple of episodes. We cover it from stem to stern. You know, I've been on YouTube for over a decade. And I remember back in the day, I used to do giveaways, like a free iPad, and that was a lot of money for me to spend to give away to someone in another country or someone I didn't know. Well, guess what? We've decided to do a sweepstakes every year for Design Sessions members exclusively. This Design Sessions home makeover giveaway, guess how much it is? $25,000. Do you know how many iPads that would be? Good Lord, have we come a long way or what? But we're also going to include a consultation with Shara and myself and walk you through the process of the best way to spend your money and to make it go as far as it possibly can. I mean, $25,000, that can go pretty far. Can you imagine? I mean, I waited to save this to the end because I don't want you to join the design sessions just so you might win $25,000. No, I want you to join the design sessions because you're eager to learn. You want to take your design skills to the next level, and I can help you do that. Shara can help you do that. But at the same time, wouldn't it be nice at the end of the year to get a phone call from Ken Woven saying, guess what? You're the lucky winner. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I mean, okay, so now the time has come. Now that you know this entire series of what the design sessions are, what we offer, what the benefits are that come with it, because of that, I hope that you are compelled, that you cannot not decide to become a member of this exclusive club that we call Design Sessions members. Click that button that says join now. You can watch it any time of the day. It's not necessary, if you live overseas, it's not necessary for you to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to catch the design sessions, because once they are posted, they're there for eternity. And as long as you are a member of the design sessions, you can watch them any time of the day, anywhere in the world. I would highly encourage you, whether you live in the US or anywhere in the world, if you love Ken Woven, you love the things you see on our YouTube videos, that you take this next step, regardless of where you live, and join us. I mean, all the things that we do. You guys you're the cream of the crop. You're the ones who really want to make a difference. Now, after you've joined the design sessions, let me just say this. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Well, you do know, right, that it's $9.99 a month. Simple. But also, the very first week is free. We give you a free trial week so that you can see, I've told you, I've shown you, I've given you videos, I've explained it, but until you see for yourself what it is that you're joining, I don't think you're gonna quite get it. So join now, get that first free week, and see if I'm not telling you the truth, because I am a lot of things. Crazy sometimes, coming like a wrecking ball, but I'm not a liar. I stand behind my word, and I can tell you, of all the things I've ever done, the design sessions are the best thing I've ever done, because it's the one place that I know I am making a difference.